Hey my little furniture bays, I'm here with a quick video showing how I made this delicious gold and oak hardware. I started with 1/2-inch copper plumbing brackets and sprayed them with pure gold by Rust-Oleum. You could really use any gold. After letting them dry, I gave them a very light coat of Elmer's spray glue and let them sit for a minute to get tacky. This is actually me spraying a second coat because I forgot to video it the first time. I used these gold foil sheets that I bought through Amazon, and I have it linked on my campsite, and I wrapped the entire piece around the bracket and gently tapped the material to adhere. You can use a brush, preferably an artist brush like you see me doing here, to remove all the excess pieces. I let them dry and repeated the whole process because some areas still needed a second coat. And the last step after they had dried was to spray them with clear acrylic, but using the spray glue was so much easier than using regular sizing medium like Mod Podge or glue. You might want to wear gloves. It gets a little bit messy, but it's worth it because I love the way it turned out.